Hey, sneekylinux back again today. Yes, today we have Carolina 001. Carolina Linux. Okay, based on Saluki Pup. Yes, Saluki. I was trying to find out what's different. There's a few bits that's different from it. Basic xfce interface, well, their own custom one, really, when you think about it. But it's nice and clean. It seems faster than Saluki for some particular reason, and its repos are enormous unless they're borrowing them from Saluki. But we'll come to that in a bit. Basically, desktop is here. It's installed, by the way. Home file system, trash, and my SDA1, which is my hard drive it's installed to. Yeah, nicely. Down the bottom here, basic xce. Time, date, I've set to turbo for the fastest possible performance. Obviously, if you've got a laptop, you wouldn't have it set on that, would you? No. There's our date there, which is the 9th Mondag, and our wireless network manager, and a sound. Yeah. Well, to get the menu, you can either right-click the desktop, like so, and go down to applications, like so down here. But also, you'll find when you right-click, you get different ones here. So you can convert a PET package from here, convert to an FSF package. You may want to do that if you're used to using PUP. We might as well do a little series on that soon in the future, I think, because I've not done a lot of PUP recently. Best to go back and have a look at the butchers, don't you think so? So anyway, we can go back to applications here and get to our menu from here. So I'm going to do the first bit from here just for a change. Oh yeah. Or should I change the picture first? I'll tell you what. We'll change the desktop settings first because I fancy changing the desktop background. It's got some nice ones here. So we're going to have blur, okay? Blur. Not blur, blur, okay? Bit Christmassy because it's only about 11 weeks till Christmas, chaps. I know, don't keep telling me. It's nasty, man, nasty. It's twisting me. Okay, menu time, file system. Get part view, P mount through night as you would expect because it is xfce and PUP at the end of the day. Remember, it's based on Wary or Wary Racy, so it's super fast, but will work on older machines if it has to. Right, I had to install a Gimpy myself. It's not actually in the Saluki stroke Carolina Palav Jump and Prance repos. I had to get it from the Wary repos, but it does work, okay? It's only 2.7. We really could do 2.8, getting on down and dirty in there, please, really, if you really want to. There you go, it works. Okay, that's that away. Okay, where was we? Oh, yes, intranet. Firefox is 15.0.1, nice. There's the program I found in the repos called GTK YouTube Viewer. Right, don't actually work very well, okay? I thought I'd tell you that one. Not for me, anyway. You also get Pigeon Thunderbird, or Chunderbird, or Runderbird, whichever you want to call it, and Transmission. Multimedia, right, here we go. As standard, Sunder, Clementine, Gnac, your Wave Audio Recorder. Ogle, I put Ogle in thinking there was no DVD player. But, there is. There's already a DVD player in there that works. So don't worry about it too much. But Ogle works as well, so don't worry about it too much. SM player installed, works out of the tin. Thojan DVD ripper, sometimes works out of the tin. Your webcam capture works out of the tin. UM player, a great front end, lovely. XF burn, because it does what it says in the tin. And the xfce mixer. Okay. Under network, we're getting to basic PUP stuff now, so you know what you're looking at. Putty's in there, Ramina's in there, yeah. Well, under Office, you do get the full LibreOffice suite. Oh, yes. You don't just get every word in that or cut down section of whatever. You get the full suite when it decides to boot up. Like that, okay? Right, it's a bit slower than I would normally expect, but hey, you know, you still work on it. There's still updates to it coming in and out and going on down, getting on down. But if you were to use this sort of thing on an old laptop or something, it will work. It will do the job that it's intended to do. But sometimes, personally, I think Abbey Word will do the job just as well. But if you really want LibreOffice, it's here for you to use, like so. Cups configured my printer out of the box, which is a Hewlett-Packard all-in-one desktop scanner EASA 4272. Cheapest chips, I think I only paid 30 quid for it, and it's still going. So yeah, no need to change, really, is there? Under system, whoa, here we go, baby. Get G-parted in there, your cups for your printing, of course. Java control panel, your LibreOffice printer administration. Didn't have to use that. That's cool, wasn't it? Yeah, I thought it was. I'll open up the LX Task Manager so you can see what's going down. Now, this is the nice bit. As you can see, 70 more 4 meg of your RAM. You know what I'm saying? You could. I reckon you could run this off 250 easy. Yeah, it wouldn't be super fast. It'd probably run nice on the whole 600 meg Pentium somewhere, Pentium 2 or something. We'll give it a try. There's only one way to find out, isn't there? But only using that much RAM, hunky-dory. But please don't forget to partition your disk and give yourself some swap space first. But as you can see, it's not even using hardly any CPU whatsoever. So that was nice, wasn't it? Yes. So we go more system. Yeah, I'm going to show you the puppy package manager, and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, I'm going to show you too much else. The download's reasonably small. I think it's it's not too big, even though it's got LibreOffice. So it's about around about 300, I think it is. But it's not too bad considering you got LibreOffice in there to start with. Okay, if you didn't have LibreOffice to start with, it'd be like a 2-second jobby, wouldn't it? But as you can see, it's a Puppy Carolina repos. Now I'm not sure if they've just renamed that to Saluki, or from Saluki, and just put Carolina in there, because there is lots of bleeding stuff in here getting on down. Yeah. So if I go to multimedia, for instance, we'll just get on down here. See, there's plenty here, look. Zen Sound, Xvid caps here. Yeah, alright. No audio though, is there, for Xvid cap? But it's just for basic screen capture, it will work. You can do command line, don't always work very good. Bacon's up there, Freya's up there, No Men Players there, Google's in there. If I go to internet and you see some more stuff, you can see the repos are quite full for such a small distro. Yes. You've got links in there you can have as well. He's got all the Google Calendar stuff here if you want to run it from your desktop as well, which is right, I thought, yeah. Flash players here. But it plays Flash out of the box, funny enough. That was weird, wasn't it? Yeah. Picasa. Wasn't sure if that was still going. But there's plenty of stuff in here. If I go to graphics, you'll see what I mean. There's no gimpage. No gimpage. Got to have some gimpage going down there. It'd be nice to have 2.8. But you've got the PDF queue. I think that's really fun to use. You want to make a nice little presentation from PDFs. Yeah. Tucks paints in there, of course, and stuff like that, as it would be, yes. Anyway, that's Carolina Linux, based on Saluki. Now, I actually quite like it, because it's a little bit more sprightly than the last Saluki I tried. So, yeah, it was alright, yeah. Shall I rate it? As it's still in development, oh, yeah, I'm going to give it 82. It's nice to use, reasonably small considering you get LibreOffice, and will do what it says on the tin. Woof, woof, oh, Carolina. Palav, Jump and Prance. Sneaky Linux out. I see you later. Bye bye.